So good morning. Today we are testing the 70 kilowatt hydrogen fuel cell generator. We've got her started by turning the key and connecting the hydrogen supply, and we're drawing 9 kilowatts, 9 kVA. We've got connected some lights, and we're actually charging the little single phase H2 sys boxy unit, and we're running some heaters and some lights just to put some draw on the generator to get it working. She is just lovely, completely silent. So yeah, we're running the 70 kilowatt Eodev GH2 genset. It's powered by a Toyota Mirai fuel cell, and the hydrogen delivery is managed through this pressure plate here. Takes the hydrogen from the bottles, manages that pressure from 200 bar down to an operating pressure on the fuel cell. The fuel cell requires about 12 to 15 bar. So the hydrogen is managed down that hose to the machine. We've got power locks connected, 3-phase lights on, which is good news, and we're delivering power, 9 kilowatts of silent CO2 free hydrogen power. Also today we'll be running the H2 sys boxy 5 kilowatt single phase genset. We've got that connected as well, and we'll be running that once we finish with the test on the Eodev 70 kilowatt unit. So this is connected to the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen bottle. It's a little Lindy Genie composite tank, and that's running at 200 bar, and it's regulated down to 5 bar, giving us the supply of hydrogen to the fuel cell, which needs 5 bar. And so we're running at about 10 kilowatts of power, and you can just start to see the exhaust emissions, which is today, on a chilly January morning, just steam and a few little water drops. I don't know if you can see that there. And that, my friends, is the noise of a generator running its fuel cell at 10 kilowatts, virtually silent. We're actually running the genset in a tent. The weather's been particularly inclement, as we all know, this January, and it's been nice to be sheltered and be able to work in here without any diesel fumes. Obviously, we've just got fresh air and a bit of steam, and it's rather a nice free steam room experience. So this is the cooling end, and I don't know if you heard that, we just had a little whoosh of the fan starting up just to provide a little bit of cooling, and these louvers open mechanically. You can see the fan just stopping there. It literally started for a few seconds because of course we're only running 12 kilowatts, so the machine is designed for 70 kilowatts, so It's only a fraction of what it will deliver, so the cooling fan's idly starting. She's very simple to operate. It's very simple to operate, just a key switch starter, and once you've got your power locks connected up to your demand and the hydrogen connected, the generator does the rest and just starts up and delivers what's necessary. There is a maintenance plug here so that if the lithium ion battery does go flat, you can actually charge it from the grid, but the battery is at 98%. Obviously the fuel cell is delivering charge to the battery at the moment, keeping that topped up, and the battery's taking 4.1 kilowatts of the total 12 or 13 that's being generated. In overnight mode, you can leave the maintenance plug on if you've got a local main supply, and that will just keep the battery topped up, and it will run the little cab heaters in the compartments of the fuel cell, lithium ion battery and the DC-AC converter chamber, so that everything's nice and humidity free and up to temperature for when you need to start in the morning.